Hello, English learners. It's Katie. So happy to see you here. Do you remember what you wanted to be when you grew up? In today's conversation, two friends share their childhood dreams. You'll learn fun phrases for talking about past hopes and changes. Let's travel back in time and learn together.
Do you remember your childhood dream?
Yeah, actually I do.
Really? What was it?
I wanted to be an astronaut.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Yeah, I was obsessed with space.
I feel like every kid loves space.
True. What about you?
I wanted to be a vet.
Oh, nice. Because you like animals?
Yes, I used to bring stray cats home.
Seriously? How many?
Like 5 at one point.
Whoa, your parents must have been upset.
They were, but they let me keep one.
That's cool. So why didn't you become a vet?
Honestly, I didn't like studying science.
Same. Science was so hard.
Right? So my dream changed a lot.
Mine too, honestly.
What did it change to?
In middle school, I wanted to be a pilot.
Oh, still something in the sky.
Yeah, I guess I just liked flying.
That makes sense. Did you ever fly a plane?
No, but I tried a flight simulator once.
Wow, how was it?
It was harder than I thought.
I can imagine. So when did that dream end?
High school, I think. I got into music.
No way! You played an instrument?
Yeah, guitar. I wanted to be a rock star.
That's so different from a pilot.
I know, right? Dreams change fast.
They really do. I went through so many too.
Like what? After the vet thing?
I wanted to be a baker for a while.
Oh, because you liked baking?
Yes, I used to bake cookies every weekend.
Nice. Did you ever sell them?
Actually, yes, at a school festival.
Wow, that's impressive. Did they sell well?
They sold out in 1 hour.
Seriously? That's amazing.
I was so proud of myself.
You should have opened a bakery.
Maybe, but I ended up studying design.
Oh, that's interesting. How did that happen?
My art teacher encouraged me.
That's great. Good teachers really matter.
Definitely. What about your music dream?
Well, I realized I wasn't that talented.
Don't say that. I bet you were good.
Thanks, but honestly, I was just okay.
So, what did you want to be after that?
I thought about being a chef.
Oh, really? You like cooking?
Yeah, I still do. I cook every day.
That's so cool. What's your best dish?
Probably pasta. Nothing fancy, though.
I love pasta. You should make some for me.
Sure, anytime. It's nothing special.
Don't be so humble. I'm sure it's great.
Ha, thanks. So, do you still bake?
Sometimes, but just as a hobby now.
That's cool. Hobbies are important.
Right? It keeps me relaxed.
Same with cooking for me.
We should cook together sometime.
That sounds fun. Let's do it.
By the way, do you ever regret not doing music?
Not really. I still play guitar sometimes.
Oh, that's nice. So it's your hobby too.
Yeah, exactly. Dreams become hobbies.
That's actually a beautiful way to think.
Thanks. I never thought of it that way before.
Do you think kids should follow their dreams? Do you think kids should follow their dreams?
I think they should try many things.
I agree. That's how you find what you love.
Right. I wouldn't know I liked cooking otherwise.
Same here. Design was a total surprise for me.
Life is funny like that.
It really is. Oh, I just remembered something.
What?
I also wanted to be a flight attendant once.
Oh, so you liked flying too.
Not really. I just wanted to travel.
Ha, that makes more sense.
I know, right? I just wanted to see the world.
Have you traveled much since then?
A little. I went to Japan last year.
Nice. I've always wanted to go there.
You should. The food is incredible.
I bet. Maybe I'll go next year.
Let's go together. That would be so fun.
Yeah, let's plan it. I'm serious.
Me too. Anyway, back to childhood dreams.
Right. Do you know what you wanted most?
Honestly, I think being a vet was my biggest dream.
That's sweet. You really loved animals.
I still do. I have a cat now.
Oh, right. I forgot about your cat.
She's the best. I rescued her 2 years ago.
That's so cool. You're kind of living your dream.
Oh, I never thought about it that way.
Well, you take care of animals. That counts.
That's such a nice thing to say.
And I cook every day, so I'm kind of a chef.
Ha, exactly. We're both living our dreams.
In our own way, yeah.
I love this conversation.
Me too. It's nice to think about the past.
We should talk about this more often.
Agreed. Next time, let's talk about the future.
Ooh, I like that idea.
Cool. I'll think about it before then.
Same. This was really fun. Thanks.
Yeah, it was. See you next time.
Hey, English learners. Welcome back. Have you ever stopped to help a stray cat on the street?
In this heartwarming conversation, one person shares their daily routine of caring for neighborhood cats. You'll learn beautiful expressions for talking about kindness, daily habits, and animals. Let's listen and learn together.
Hey, what are you doing out here?
Just taking a walk. You?
I'm going to feed the stray cats.
Stray cats? Around here?
Yeah, behind the park.
Oh, I had no idea.
I've been feeding them for months.
Really? How many are there?
About 7 or 8 now.
Whoa, that's quite a few.
I know, right? They keep showing up.
So you go there every single day?
Every morning and evening.
That sounds like a lot of work.
It is, but it's so worth it.
What do you feed them?
Mostly dry cat food.
Nice. Do they come right away?
Oh my gosh, yes! They run to me.
Huh, that's pretty cool.
There's this one orange cat I love.
An orange one? Like a cabbie?
Yes, super cute and friendly.
Does it let you pet it?
Now it does. Took a while, though.
Makes sense. Strays are pretty cattle.
Right? At first, they all ran away.
So how did you get close to them?
I just kept coming. Same time, same spot.
Oh, that's smart.
And I never chased them.
Yeah, that's really important.
One day, the orange one just walked up.
No way. That must have been amazing.
I almost cried. So sweet.
Ha, I can totally picture that.
Now it follows me around everywhere.
Sounds like a pet already.
Kind of, but still a stray, you know?
Have you thought about adopting it?
I have, but my place doesn't allow pets.
Oh man, that's tough.
I know, it makes me so sad sometimes.
Maybe you could move someday.
That's actually my dream.
You should go for it.
By the way, some neighbors complain.
Seriously? What do they say?
They say cats are too noisy at night.
I mean, cats can be loud sometimes.
But it's not their fault.
Yeah, I get it. They just need help.
I actually got 2 of them neutered.
Oh, really? That's responsible of you.
It costs money, but it's so worth it.
How much does it usually cost?
About $50 each.
Not bad, actually.
And there are rescue groups that help.
Oh, yeah. What kind of groups?
They do something called TNR.
TNR? What's that?
Trap, neuter, and return.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense.
It really helps reduce stray numbers.
Have you done that yourself?
Once. It was so stressful, honestly.
I bet. Catching a cat isn't easy.
But after the surgery, they were fine.
That's good to hear.
I even made them a little shelter.
Wait, really? Like a cat house?
Yes, from a big plastic box.
That's actually really creative.
I put a blanket inside for winter.
Do they actually use it?
They love it, especially when it's cold.
You know what? You really inspire me.
Aw, that's so sweet of you.
Can I come see the cats now?
Of course, I have food in my bag.
Let's go then. I'm curious.
Oh, you're going to love them.
I think I'm becoming a cat person.